Why is it? Why is it that giving guns is so easy but giving book is so hard? That giving responsibility is so easy but giving book in one hand is so hard? You must have heard that one child, one teacher or one girl can change the world. But ever know the reason behind it? That what option do they have? That how can they change the world? You know, education is only an option. Not just the politicians and that one leaders, we all need to contribute here. Me, you and we. It is our duty. And this is possible only because of education. Education is most important thing in life, but not everyone can get it. You know why we talk to any person easily without any fear or without any hesitation? Just because of education. Just because of studies. This is the only thing that saves a person from failing. There are many such situations in the life of people when they have to leave their studies without even wanting to and have to work hard. But there are many people who have everything. Anyone cannot stop them from studying. But still they turn their backs on studies. They don't understood. You know, when they will be completely shattered, then they will realize its value. And this fact too, we realize the value of happiness only when we are sad. We understand the importance of light when we see darkness. We realize the importance of our voice when we are silenced. If you are willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. You know guys, education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. Thank you so much.